Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Easy Video Learning Series from PlentyofTutors.com. In our previous lesson we looked at how to multiply mixed numbers, and now we're going to look at how to divide mixed numbers. So let's have a look at an example. Say you wanted to divide 9 and 4/7 divided by 4 and 2/3. Again, just like addition and multiplication, our first step is going to be converting these into improper fractions. So let's have a look. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 4 is 67. Divided by 7. So 9 and 4/7 is equivalent to 67 over 7. And that's going to be divided by 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, divided by 3. Now at this point here, the only real difference between division and multiplication is with division we have one extra step. And that is, instead of dividing by 14 over 3, we're going to actually multiply by the reciprocal of 14 over 3, which means we're going to flip this and put the 3 on top and the 14 on the bottom. So this whole expression is going to be equivalent to 67 over 7 multiplied by, flip this around, 3 over 14. Now at this step we could look here and see if we could reduce this into lower terms. See if there's any numbers that divide evenly into 3 and 7, or 67 and 7, or 67 and 14. And in this case, there are no numbers that divide evenly. So this expression is in lowest terms already. So now we have a multiplication question, just like previous. And with multiplication, we're going to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 67 times 3 is going to be 180 plus 21 is 201. And 7 times 14 is going to be 70 plus 28 is 98. And so 201 divided by 98 is the answer. But again, it's in the form of an improper fraction. So if you wanted to convert that back into a mixed number, you would do it just as I had shown you previously in the addition and multiplication lessons. Take out your calculator. There are many ways to do this, in fact, but the way that I like to do it is to simply take out your calculator, divide out the number, write down what you get, and you get 2.05102, and it goes on. There's no pattern there. It's not repeating in any way. And so basically what we want to do here is, we know the answer is going to be a whole number of 2 and something. So there's going to be a fraction here to go along with it. That's going to be equal to the 0.05102 and so on. Now, we know the answer is 201 divided by 98 as well. So what we're going to do is, we're going to split this 2.05 into two fractions of 98. And the first one we want to figure out is, what is 2 as a fraction of 98? What number divided by 98 will equal 2? And the way to get that is to simply take 2 times 98. And it's going to be 180 plus 16, which is 196. Now we have a look back at our original answer of 201 divided by 98, and we know that the 2 as a whole number is contributing 196 over 98, but we need 201 over 98. So we're already getting 196 from the 2. How many more 98s do we need? So basically you just take 201, take away 196, and you're going to get 5, and that's going to be the missing number here. So that means that the answer is going to be 2, which is the 196 over 98, and 5/98. And then the last step is to just simply look at that fraction and see if we can reduce that into lowest terms. Is there a number that divides equally into 5 and 98? And the answer is no. So we know the answer is 2 and 5/98 as a mixed number in lowest terms. Okay, and that concludes another episode of the Easy Video Learning Series from PlentyofTutors.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.